Hello friends, I'm Anvesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams. And in this video today, I'll discuss some error detection questions, and the questions are really beautiful and I'm sure you're going to enjoy solving the questions. So let's start. Unacademy launches new batches for bank exams every week. So as you can see, the best educators are there at Unacademy, and there are many benefits of subscribing to Unacademy Plus. So many of you have mailed me whether you should take Unacademy Plus subscription or not. So it was not possible for me to reply to all the mails. So here I'll describe this thing in brief, that if you subscribe to Unacademy Plus, you will be able to prepare in a structured manner. The entire syllabus will be covered in one place, and that too in a structured way. You can schedule your classes according to your preferences. If you prefer attending morning sessions, you can join a batch where the classes are conducted in the morning. If you prefer evening session, then you can join a batch that conducts classes in the evening. There is no language barrier, you will find teachers teaching completely in English. Also, you will find teachers teaching completely in Hindi. Okay, you can interact with the educators in the live classes. You can participate in polls and look at your scores, analyze your position with respect to the other learners. Also, you can get your doubt solved instantly in the live classes. There are dedicated doubt solving classes as well. Live tests and quizzes are available with each course, right? PDFs are also given after each session. You can download the PDFs after each session. Also, you can watch the recorded version of the live sessions. Okay, if you miss any session or if you want to revise the sessions from the videos, then you can watch them in the recorded mode as well. Okay. Now let's look at the batches. So the first batch is for RBI grade B for prelims and mains. This batch is for the CET 2021 exam. Then the next batch is for SBI PO 2021. And this batch is dedicated to IBPS PO 2021. So if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, use coupon code ANNIE for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. Now you can use this coupon code ANNIE for all the categories available, like bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CAT, JEE. For any category you can use this coupon code ANNIE. Also, there is a combo pack SSC plus bank. So if you want to prepare for both these exams together, you should take the combo pack. Okay. So this is the first sentence. You have to identify the grammatically incorrect part. So here I'll teach you how to analyze sentences. Okay. Sections of India's judiciary trivializes. Sections. Sections is a plural noun, right? With plural noun, you have to use plural verb. But trivializes is a singular verb. So instead of trivializes, here trivialize should be used, which is singular. Trivialize means to make something seem less important. Okay. So sections of Indian judiciary trivialize crimes against who? Crimes against women, especially sexual violence. So here violence is a noun. Violence is a noun. And what kind of violence? Sexual violence. This is an adjective. Sexual violence. And this means what? This means this trivializing, this act of trivializing. Okay, and this must be corrected. This is one particular act. We are talking about one act. And what is the act? The act is trivializing. So the act is singular. The act is singular. That's why singular pronoun this has been used. Now must be corrected. Must plus be plus V3 is used when the sentence is in passive voice. because who will correct this? The doer is not given. The doer is not given, so this part is in passive voice, and that's why must plus be plus V3 has been used. So here your answer is, in this question, your answer is part A. Part A is grammatically incorrect. Next. Next question. So I'll request all of you to pause the video here and try solving the question, and after that resume the video. India on Saturday. Now whenever name of a day will come, whenever you find name of a day, you have to use on before that. Okay, on day, in month, at time, at 5 a.m., at 6 a.m. Okay, in year, in 2020, in 2030. Okay, so India on Saturday resolved to intensify. So this means the sentence is in past tense. Why? Because here V2 has been used. Resolved to intensify, 2 plus V1, this is correct. To intensify what? Defense cooperation, noun. With, cooperation with whom? With the US Central Command. Okay, this is also a noun, Central Command. Where? In Florida, name of a city, that's why in Florida. And with whom? With US, and with whom? And with the US commands, with the US central government and with the US commands. Where? In the Indo-Pacific region and Africa. Okay, the announcement was made by. Now what is the act here? What is the job? The job was, or the action was, making of the announcement. Okay, and it was done by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. So the doer is given after by. By plus doer means the sentence is in passive voice again. So that's why here was plus V3 has been used. Announcement ends in MENT. This is a noun. That's why the has been used. The announcement was made by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, who holds talks with US Secretary of Defense General Lloyd James Austin III. Now the announcement was made. Look at this part, was made. So the sentence is in past tense. The sentence is in past tense, and this word holds is in present tense. So this verb holds is incorrect. Instead of holds, held should be used. The announcement, Rajnath Singh, who held talks with the US Secretary. Okay, so here the answer is part C. Part C is grammatically erroneous. Okay, next question. Find out the grammatically correct sentence. Now here you need to find out the correct sentence. Let's see. B. Since the first detection of the merger of black holes dated September 14, 2014. Okay, so since, this word can be used for giving reason, and it can be used to denote a point of time. So here it has been used to denote point of time, which is September 14, 2014. Since this date, that is since the first detection. Okay, first is what? Ordinal adjective. Ordinal, that denotes order. Before ordinal adjectives, the should be used. So this is correct, the first. Now here, if what do you have? Here you have the. First is an ordinal adjective, so you need a noun. So this is a noun. Detection, T ends in TION, so this is a noun. Detection of the merger. Merger is a noun here because it is preceded by the. Of the merger of what? Of black holes dated September 14, 2014 by the two gravitational wave detectors at LIGO in the US. The field has witnessed important developments. Okay, development is a noun. Development is a noun. And what kind of development? Important development. So instead of noun importance, you need an adjective important. Important is an adjective. Okay, so here this sentence is incorrect. Next. So here the error is in this part. Okay. Next. The LIGO detectors. Detectors plural noun. So plural verb have. Have been joined. Have plus been plus V3. Have been joined in their search for gravitational waves. Who have joined? Who have joined the LIGO detectors? It is not known. That's why this sentence is in passive voice, and so have plus been plus V3 has been used. In their search, in whose search? In the detectors, in search of the detectors. Detectors is plural, and that's why there has been used. In their search for gravitational waves. Search for gravitational waves from where? From various sources. Various denotes plural, so plural noun should be used. Sources, yes. By the Virgo detector in Italy. By the Virgo detector where? In Italy. Name of a place, so in has been used, right? And the Kagra detector in Japan. Again name of a country, so here also name of a country, here also name of a country. Okay, so that's why in has been used. So this sentence is absolutely correct. Option B is correct. Next. In the meantime, Indian scientists plural noun, so plural verb have been involved, have plus been plus V3 in many aspects. Many denotes plural, so yes, here you have plural noun aspects, this is correct. Aspects of the research and data analysis, especially where, especially, so here involved in, so here also you have to use in gravitational wave radiometry. So wave radiometry is a noun and gravitational ends in al, so this is an adjective. Which is a way. What is a way? What is here? Which has been used for this involvement. Which is a way. That's why is has been used, because involvement is singular. Which is a way to measure 2 plus V1 to measure gravitational waves from hitherto. What is the meaning of hitherto? Hitherto means previously. From previously unknown sources. Sources here is a noun and unknown, and these hitherto, these two are adjectives. Okay. Sources and detects their presence in the sky. Now look at this part. Here what do you have? 2. Here you have 2. 2 plus V1. So this verb should also be V1. Why? Because here you have and. With and you are connecting this part and this part. So both the parts should have the same construction. Okay. So instead of detects, detect should be used. Right. So this sentence is also incorrect. Next. Until now, the number of mergers detected by LIGO, Virgo and Kagra detectors are minuscule. Okay, the number of, whenever you find the number of will always take singular verb. Okay, plural noun and singular verb. Okay, so here the number of, here what do you have? Here you have the number of plural noun mergers, and so singular verb are instead of are is should be used, singular verb. Okay, so this is also incorrect. So the correct sentence is option B. Next. The hummingbird gets its name from the sound it makes. Hummingbird is singular, so singular verb gets its name. Its has been used for hummingbird, which is singular. Name from the sound it makes. It has been used for hummingbird, which is singular. Makes singular verb. When it will hover in front of flowers to feed. When denotes a condition, so it gets its name from the sound. And when does it make the sound? The making of the sound depends on this, so this is the condition. And what kind of conditional sentence is this? This is present conditional. You can also say this is zero conditional because it is universally true. It gets its name from the sound it makes. And when does it make sound? When it hovers in front of the flowers to feed. So this is universally true. It always makes sound, right? So here instead of simple future, you have to use simple present. When it hovers. Okay, also in conditional sentences, the condition should be in simple present. When it hovers in front of flowers to feed. 2 plus V1, this is correct. The humming sound is generated by now by plus doer, and that's why is plus V3 has been used. By the bird's wings. A new study noted that the wings beat rapid. The wings is plural noun, so plural verb beat. This is correct. Rapid is an adjective. But here you have a verb. So for modifying verbs, you need adverbs. So instead of rapid, rapidly should be used. Okay, rapidly at 40 beats per second. So here the error, this one is an error. Here one error is in this part, another error is in this part. So B and D, parts B and D are erroneous. So option D is your answer. So friends, I hope you found this session to be useful. Also, on Unacademy, I take free live sessions every day. Today I had a session at 9:30 a.m. Tomorrow I will have a session at 7:30 p.m. Okay. Again on Tuesday, I'll have two sessions, one at 9:30 a.m. and another at 2:30 p.m. Okay. All these sessions are for free and we practice extensively in these sessions. So I request all of you to join these sessions. You will find the link to my profile, Unacademy profile, in the comment box. Also, links to my Telegram channel and group has been given in the description box. So please join the Telegram channel and group to get notified for all the free live sessions that I take on Unacademy. Also, please follow my profile on Unacademy to get notified for all the free sessions. Okay, I have been taking live sessions, free live sessions on Unacademy for quite some time. I don't know if all of you know about it. So if you don't know, please go to my profile and please watch the previous sessions if you haven't watched. And also please follow my profile so that you get notified for all the upcoming sessions. Okay, bye. Thank you.